everyone, it is Matthew. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today is the final day of this vacation. It's been an amazing trip. And to top it all off, today is all the boat racing. The big boats, they have 6 preliminary heats, and then after that, the championship race, which it's for the Gold Cup. And if you don't know, the Gold Cup is like the oldest trophy in motorsports. So this is like the biggest boat race of the year almost. They have, as I said, they have 6 preliminaries and then the championship race after that. And then also the smaller boats have a few races today. So it's going to be an action-packed day. Leave a like, also hit the subscribe button. And now let's get started with the final day of the vacation. It's only like 7:30 in the morning and it's already getting packed down here. Look all the way down there. We have some homemade pancakes for breakfast. The races are supposed to start. So each boat is gonna do one thing of testing and then starts the races. Here we go, race number 1. Here we go. Here he comes, Jimmy Shane with the win in the first heat. So Jimmy Shane, my favorite boat, the hometown boat for Madison, won the first race, and now we have the other 3 boats getting ready to go out in a few minutes for the second of the 6 preliminaries. 4, 3, 2. I don't think any jumps. Oh! Z-flip. Oh no! We almost saw a flip.
Oh, do you hear that?
Look at the Gold Cup.
This is not official, they still have to go do that.
Does this water gun work? You think it'd reach them down there? Ah! Oh, that doesn't even get close. Look at that. Oh, it's coming back at us from the wind. Oh. Oh! 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 No! Well, now look at this close race for first.
Who just flipped?
He didn't flip, but he spun out. Look at this close race. Look at this. Coming down to the finish line. Kane's got to have a good corner. Here we go. He's going to come down to the line. Here we go. To the finish. Who's going to win it? That was like a tie. Oh my God. What a race. I don't even know who won yet. Well, we have the final preliminary race, and then after that will be the final. I don't know if any race can top the one we just had, but we'll see. These two drivers have a combined 90 wins all time in their 2 careers. This is gonna be fun. Here we go to the start. I think Jimmy's got it. Wins the last preliminary heat. And now, one last race for the Gold Cup. Okay, so, as I said, one last race, and that is the final championship race. But this championship race, it's gonna be 5 laps instead of 3 like the other preliminaries. And also, there's gonna be 4 boats in this heat. It originally was gonna be all 6 of the boats, but 2 of them have broken from either other things or wrecks or stuff. So 4 boats, 5 laps. It's gonna be entertaining, and the winner wins the biggest trophy in boat racing, the Gold Cup. Okay, so we need predictions. I'm going with Jimmy Shane. It's gonna be a tight race. It's gonna be either him or Tate in the red boat. One of those two is gonna win unless they like both flip or get penalized. So apparently they got one of the boats fixed, so there's gonna be 5 boats in this final, so makes it even more entertaining. Look at this crowd. They're getting on the shore side. Everyone's nervous. Hopefully the hometown boat, the fan favorite. Here we go. Boats are heading out. There's Villwock. He's won a lot of these in his lifetime. Jimmy Shane's won 4 out of the last 8 Gold Cups. Come on, Jimmy, I believe you can win this one. Do it for the hometown crowd. We're not even recording. Okay, they just started. I completely missed the start. There's Jim. Jimmy Shane's in the lead. He's in the lead, but it's close. Look how close that is for first. Remember, we got, oh, they're still pretty close. Oh, look, part of Tate's boat just flew off. Look, Tate's wings. That shouldn't affect the speed though. Here it is, checker flag. He's got to watch it though. Don't flip it. You're winning. Jimmy Shane coming down. He's done it. Jimmy Shane wins again. He wins the Gold Cup. A destroyed Tate boat gets second. Look at the crowd on the shore. Everyone excited to see the hometown boat win. And there he is, Jimmy Shane. Look at that. Look at Tate though. His boat is destroyed. Look at that Gold Cup. We're getting back to our campsite and we're gonna be leaving. Got a 4-hour drive home soon. Well, I'm excited to go home, get to see the 3 pets. I haven't seen them in literally almost a week because we got here on Tuesday morning and it's now Sunday night, but I'm excited to go home. But what a vacation this was. Can't believe it's already over. It was a fun week. We'll see ya next year, I guess.
Oh.
You stupid tree.
Where is it now?
The tree's behind it. Or wait, no.
The sun's behind the tree.
No.
Oh.
There's a fire over there.
Where? Oh, dang. Okay, look.
Come on. We are finally back in our city. Last time I was actually here was last month, technically. But we're heading home. It's 4th of July, so I bet there's a lot of fireworks going on. Yep, literally right there.
I want to tell you, you know this? You put food out of your mouth and it comes out the other way.
I would go to the Sunset Cemetery.
The river is free.
You're gonna go to the cemetery for the fireworks show.
When we get home, there's going to be a huge mess. There's going to be trash everywhere and stuff. because of Willow. There will be trash everywhere and TV's going to be knocked off with the fire.
The TV's knocked off. Oh no! Oh!
What?
You're burped.
Oh.
Oh no! I left my wallet in Madison.
Oh no, we have to go all the way back.
We have to go all the way back.
You guys do that every time we go to a trip.
No, like I'm serious this time.
Well, I could care less.
What? Look, there's fireworks over there. There's fireworks over there and over there.
You about poked your mom in the face. I know.
Well, that was the point.
She's gonna lose an eyeball.
Oh my gosh, we are home. Fireworks are going. Lily! Bella! Look at this wild animal. How do you feel to be taller than me for once? Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the final vacation vlog. And hopefully you enjoyed all the vacation vlogs. I had such a fun time. It was a cool trip with all the boat racing and all the other stuff. Make sure you leave a like on this video and also hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed. And shout out to the Madison Regatta and H1 Unlimited for putting on this whole event throughout the whole week. It was so much fun. Definitely go check out H1's YouTube channel. It's just H1 Unlimited. Go check them out on YouTube for a lot more boat racing content. And now that we're back here, actually, I'm filming this clip 2.5 weeks after we got back from vacation, but I've been filming a bunch of videos in these past few weeks, and speaking of videos coming soon, Friday I'm uploading a video that may be the coolest video I've ever uploaded. You guys can be looking forward to that, and I'm also going to be live streaming tomorrow for Game 6 of the NBA Finals, and if there is a Game 7, I will be streaming that as well, so you guys can be looking forward to all that. But I think that is all, so till next video, see ya!
Say that it feels right.
Somebody throw a punch to his face and make it hit.